Hi everyone, today we're gonna be talking about how to upload listings from ResellSync. First at all, we're gonna start here on the settings tab. You're gonna see here the integrations, and we look at here, it says eBay. We already connect the platform with us, and we are taking care about online statuses for the fonts that we wanna list on eBay. As you see here, we can check out that we can create dynamic descriptions using HTML. I create this description really quick in ChatGPT. It's pretty complete. I put here the manufacturer model capacity. This is gonna be dynamic because it's gonna read what the inventory is at that moment. So if you have an iPhone 12 from Apple and the capacity is 128 GB, it's gonna say it here. And also when you create the listing, it's gonna be appearing on eBay. I'm gonna show you real quick how all this works. So let's start. After creating the description, you can save the template over here. Also, then when you get your inventory, you're gonna find it here in this tab, inventory view. Right here, you're gonna find this is the SKU of the phone. You will need to make sure that you got the SKU connected with the eBay platform. Right now, the phone is online. It's selling in different marketplaces like Market and Revello. But right now, I'm gonna upload it to eBay. This is what we're gonna explain on this video, how to upload phones or devices from ResellSync to eBay without going to eBay. So you're gonna do this and it's gonna save you a lot of time, and you can automate this every day. You can include this in your workflow. So let's go here. Let's click on this plus button. As you see here, it's pulling the dynamic description that we got under settings. You see here it put the title automatically. So I'm gonna add here AT&T because this phone is carrier lock. So let me put here AT&T. All right, AT&T. And I think this phone is also from it works in Cricket. AT&T and Cricket. You can put anything you want here. This is HTML. eBay asset HTML. This is gonna help you with the search engines. As you see here, this is the category. Cell phones, you can choose here if the phone is new, open box, use, or something for parts. This also gonna help you with the search engines. You can put here the specifics of the phone. I won't put anything right now. So I'm gonna list this phone for $850. I think it's a fair price. I was searching eBay and I see a couple of phones sold are 700, 750, 800. So I think I can sell it for $850. I can choose the shipping that I want here. I always select free shipping, so I cover for it, for the shipping for the client. And if you want to upload more pictures to the listing, you can upload it here. You can click this button right here and upload it from the computer, or you can click the scan QR code that you can upload it in real time. So you can take your phone with the camera, scan this QR code, and take the picture in real time. So after putting everything together, so we got the price, we got the description and the title. We just gonna click publish on eBay, and let's see. This takes around 5 seconds to 10 seconds. This is amazing. This is gonna automate all your workflows so you can sell more phones in less time, guys. So let's check out over here. Let's click on this button and go to eBay. And as you see here, you got the phone. So you got the Apple iPhone 17 Pro 256 GB for AT&T with all the pictures that we upload. That this picture they can be retaken from ResellSync. So every SKU that has the same conditions, the same variants, you can reuse the pictures. So the price is $850, and we got everything here. The lock status is network lock, is AT&T, so we are fine on this. And that's it. This is how you can upload every stock in eBay. And if you need to reach out to us, you can send us a message, you can book a demo, and just let me know. Thank you very much for watching the video.